Hey guys, Arjun this side from Gossip Funda. Hope you all guys are doing well. And in this video, we're gonna discuss how Trackimo works. Before that, we will discuss about what is Trackimo. Trackimo is an intelligent GPS GSM tiny device allowing you to find and track your precious things. See exactly where they are, automatically alerting when sensing distress signals. Trackimo provides few ways of using voice and data anywhere worldwide. Now, we're going to discuss how this GPS tracker works. The process follows a simple mathematical principle called trial iteration. To complete the mathematical calculation, GPS receiver uses the accurate positions of at least 4 satellites and the distance of each to estimate 4 values: Earth latitude, Earth longitude, elevation, and time. The position and distances to a given satellite determine the position of the receiver. The accurate position of a satellite is repeatedly transmitted to all the receivers in the line of sight and usually require open sky. The distance to a satellite is found by the precise time the satellite transmission arrives at the receiver. The time generated each satellite's atomic clock is transmitted by the satellite at preset intervals. Now, let's understand how a GPS tracking device works. GPS tracking devices work on the same principle, but instead of displaying information on the device itself, the microprocessor on the device will calculate its location and transmit the concluded data to a server over the internet using the worldwide GSM cellular network. The server hosts a platform that end user can access and view the device's current and past historical path, speed, and alerts. All this data is then saved via the internet and displayed on the end user device using a desktop app or to the smartphone using iPhone or Android app. A GPS tracking system can benefit anyone. For business owners, it can be deployed to track the position of their fleet, monitoring the behavior of employees. GPS systems are also helpful for small time users as well. For example, families have used GPS devices to keep track of elderly children or pets. Travelers also have attached GPS devices to their luggage to prevent it from getting lost or stolen. When selecting a GPS tracker, customer will have to decide if they want an active real-time or passive tracker. Passive tracker do not allow user to follow every move that track person or an object makes. The information must be obtained then downloaded onto a computer. These type of trackers are most affordable and they don't require a monthly fee. Active trackers, on the other hand, process and deliver data in real time using SIM and a GSM transceiver. Dispatchers receive real-time information via GSM cellular network, allowing them to closely monitor their asset or precious thing. Monthly fees are charged to pay for the cellular network services. So this was the main principle how Trackimo device works and how it helps to find your things. This was the useful information we can give to you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you need more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to check the link in the description, and if you need more information and more knowledge and more solutions, you can go to our blog page on the website called gossipfunda.com. That might be very helpful for you. Thank you.